Welcome to Hoi An!
So we've got a very action-packed day ahead of us and we are starting in Can Tan Coconut Village.
That's right, we're here for the legendary basket boat experience and also a Vietnamese cooking class. Before we start, we've been given a fresh passion fruit juice, which apparently grows on a tree that's just in front of the cafe and restaurant where we are. Wow, that is good. It's very tart, but very sweet as well at the same time. You cannot get better than that.
Whoa! Whoa! Woohoo! I don't think we're gonna go anywhere. We're getting faster.
Okay.
You relax.
Okay.
You take it easy.
So we followed a local fisherman down who's laying out his nets ready to see what he can catch today. Becky's having to bang this oar and we're not sure why. We think it might be something to do with the fish.
That lad catches fish today. It's because of me.
So there's no catch. It looks like Becky hasn't banged the oar hard enough. So there's no fish. So the cooking class is probably going to get cancelled and it's back to the hotel. So I've got a little bamboo rod with a fish on and I'm about to go fishing. No, if they're having me on. They're just having me doing this just to say, another tourist.
So while John's been busy fishing, this lady's been busy making us some little rings. So I've got a little grasshopper and a little flower ring. John's got a grasshopper as well. They are so cute. Come on then, John. Show us how it's done.
Expert rower. Although I'm paying for this experience, I should be taking it easy.
Oh, come on.
See you then.
So what a really fun experience that was. We didn't get to see anyone being spun in the basket really fast like you do in the videos, but we did get spun and that was fast enough for me because I did get a little bit dizzy.
Overall, a fantastic experience and well worth the money.
So we are suited and booted with our hats and aprons and we are ready for our cooking class. We began by making a chili dip. John's having to finish off mine because I'm not very good at this, so I'm just going to steal John's and pretend it's mine. Then quickly moved on to make our deep fried spring rolls. So John's been given the instruction to divide the mixture by 8 and that's really awkward because you can't even count to 8. Did you manage to count to 8?
And then you take 1 B6.
Ask somebody for help.
1 B6. You put on the top.
They've been challenged to make one of these. Right, John, over to you. How are you getting on? Oh, you're not doing too bad. It's not broke the skin actually. Oh. Right, now you've just got to roll it into a flower. Yeah, that's not a bad effort.
Wait.
So John's prematurely put the prawns in.
We'll just get carried away. Let's crack on. Prawns cooked, we then made fresh spring rolls using lettuce leaves. We think they all turned out pretty good. Pretty damn good stuff.
Last for us to make were Vietnamese pancakes. Once cooked, the chef taught us how to finish them with garnish and roll them to eat them.
To end, we also enjoyed a bowl of traditional pho made by the chef.
So what a great tour that was. We loved the basket boats, we loved the cooking class, and we even got a recipe book to take away as well.
We will pop the details of the company in the description, so make sure you check them out. So let's have a look around Hoi An Old Town. Hoi An Old Town seemed very much like a town where a cruise would stop at. It was very touristy with lots of shops selling similar things such as clothes, bags, hats and accessories, most of which seemed very overpriced. Of course, there were also lots of cafes to eat and drink to.
Known as the City of Lanterns, streets and shops were beautifully decorated, making it a very picturesque place to visit. In between shopping, you'll also find some beautiful and colourful temples to visit too, along with the Japanese bridge, also known as Cow Temple, a 20-metre 17th century bridge which connects two busy streets in the Old Town.
Hoi An really is the town filled with tailors. If you need a made-to-measure suit or a dress, you'll come to Hoi An. However, it does come with a disclaimer that whichever shop you look at, even if you remotely look in their direction, you will get hassled to go in there. So keep it in mind and expect it, because that's what we've found so far with Hoi An in the time we've been here.
So we're just checking out the market area now, and a lot of the stalls seem to sell pretty much what the main shops do. However, you can also buy produce, fresh meat, fruit, ingredients, basically what you'd expect to buy in a market.
So down by the river you won't be short of cafes, restaurants, somewhere to have a drink. A bit of street food as well, more street food sellers here than I've actually seen anywhere in Hoi An. Also, if you want to go on a boat around the local river, this is where you can do it.
Okay, so we're just going to head across the bridge now and go explore that area.
So whilst we were busy filming Hoi An, we had a message pop up on our YouTube notifications from Marty Wright saying that he'd spotted us and he was here in Hoi An. So what did we do?
We went and had a drink with him. We've had such a lovely couple of hours and it was great to meet you both, and I hope you continue to enjoy the rest of your travels. So it wouldn't be right to visit the City of Lanterns without taking part in a lantern making class. Let's go. I've got to choose a colour. What colour am I going to pick? So I think this is probably going to be the hardest part of lantern making class. Oh, look at that one.
That's okay.
I think we've got a choice. Time to stick on the final piece. Now we just need to attach the tassel. Like this. Are you ready? Ta-da! I've made that. So it's that good. We've even tried it with the light. And I've got a job and I start tomorrow. Yay! Honestly, that was such good fun. It was 200,000 to do this class. So you can buy a lantern for 50,000, but that is no fun at all. I get to take this one back to England and hang it up, and every time I look at it, I get to be reminded of this really fun class.
If you can see past the hassle of what you get in Hoi An, this is what awaits you on a night. And that's it from us in Hoi An, but join us on the next episode when we head to Chiang Mai in northern Thailand. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed it, please make sure you smash that like button and consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with our travels and where we are in the world.